The RTA Cabinet Store has partnered with the BILT app to bring our customers the best possible experience with 3D assembly instructions on your mobile device. Just scan the QR code, download the free app, and let it take you through the entire assembly process from start to finish with fewer frustrations. The app brings the product assembly process into the digital age, allowing you to tap for details on steps, toggle back and forth between steps, rotate the product image, zoom in and out, and increase overall build speed. A first in the industry, our partnership with the BILT app makes the assembly process of new cabinets and your dream kitchen painless and easy. Shop our quick ship cabinet lines today to take advantage of this amazing partnership that supports you from beginning to your brand new kitchen.